When your generator needs expert attention, bring it to the Tech Africa Service Center. Didn't buy your generator directly from us? No problem. We still offer full repair services. From the moment you arrive, we take over. Your unit is received, a job card is created with all your details, and your generator is tagged for tracking. Next, our technicians run a full diagnostic, including load tests, to find the root cause of the problem. Once complete, we send you a full report with a quotation. You approve, we fix. Using genuine parts and expert technicians, we get your generator back in top shape. Final testing is done, and once you're happy with the results, you make payment and collect your fully repaired unit. Visit the Tech Africa Service Center at 14 Dumfries Road, Workington today, where power meets reliability.